Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you did not see my last video of the Young Nail unboxing haul, please go check that out. This is why all of this is still sitting up here. But today I think I'm going to play with the clear, the speed clear, and then the cover blush, just to see how I like the consistency of them and to see how they file and all that good stuff. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna just use this little nail stand that I've used to practice with. You just glue some tips to these and then just practice like that. And these are the tips that I'll be using. These are the tips that I use to practice with on my practice hands. And then instead of using glue though, I'm going to go in with this clay tape and then use that to tape them down. So I just take a little piece and put it up there like that. Or you can go ahead and put it on the stand. And then like that. Alright, so then we have all 5 of those. I'm gonna go, this is the brush that came with the Young Nails kit. And of course it has some starch on it, as all brushes do. But it does feel really soft. It's really soft. Alright, so that's the dapping dish, and then this is the liquid. And the dropper that came with it. Just do a little bit right now because I need to clean this. And you always want to clean your brushes before using them to remove all of that starch. And this brush is pre-pinched right here. And just in case anyone was wondering. Normally I would go in and cut that to make it straight across, but I'm actually just going to leave it the way it is. Like I said in my last video, I think it's a number 8 brush. This is my first brush that I bought that was also a number 8. And it looks to be, you know, about the same size. Here's my number 9 brush from Alpha Brushes. And it's definitely smaller than that. So yeah, like I said, if I had to guess, this would be a number 8 brush. By the way, this monomer it's not really strong. It has a smell, of course, because it's monomer, but it's not as strong as this other one that I have. I will say that. So that is a good thing. Especially for me, because my husband be in here fussing me out behind this smell, y'all. Alright, so I'm going in with the cover blush. I may actually go in with all 4 just so I can see what they all look like. Well, let's see. I'm gonna actually starting off with the clear actually. And let's see what we got. Oh, it's nice and full. This is a 45 gram which is about 1.57 ounces. Yep, it seems to be pretty easy to work with. This is the Speed Clear. Yeah, it seems to be easy to work with. It's not runny like the other brand that I've been using. I don't know, y'all. Might got a new favorite system. Alright, so I should have did a clear tip so I could see how clear this actually is, but that is the clear. Now I'm going to go in with, let's do Cover Pink. And that is what that one is looking like. I actually like this one better than the Mia Secrets. I ordered the Mia Secrets probably about 2-3 weeks ago, and I've been playing around with it. I got the Cover Pink, the Cover Rose, and the Cover Beige off of Amazon. And the Cover Beige and the Cover Rose is a really pretty color, and it's easy to work with. But their Cover Pink I just can't get with it. Like every time I use it, it's really chalky. It's really hard to work with. But it could be my monomer also, because I didn't get their monomer because for some reason they were saying that it couldn't ship to APO. But somehow Young Nail was able to ship me some monomer. So if I can get my hands on some Mia Secret monomer to actually use with their powder, I may get a better result. But as of right now, I am loving this, you guys. And it's definitely not as it's not as dark as the Mia Secret Pink. I don't think it is anyways. Alright, so that is the Cover Pink. And I'm going to go in with their Speed White. Oh, it looks really white. Ooh. Oh, now that's running. I don't know if my brush was too wet or if it's this powder, but this one is really, really runny. Oh, thank you. Well, my first bead was a little runny, but it seems to be easy to work with. Compared to this brand. This is a brand that I got here in Korea from the nail mall, and it's also the same brand as the monomer that I normally use. But this one is really chalky. It's really chalky and it's hard to work with. It dries really fast and it's just hard to work with. Like, and I am in love with this Young Nails right now. Like, it's easy compared to all the other brands that I've used so far. Alright, and last, let's go in with the cover blush. Well, no, actually, I'm going to go in with one of the clear. Oh, look at that. This one, I don't know if it's picking up on camera or not, but it has, like, sparkles in it. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. Oh my God, that's pretty. Y'all, I'm ashy. Please excuse my hands. Oh my God, that is embarrassing. Oh, y'all see that? That's the white. I don't know if I showed y'all that. And then this is their cover blush with the little sparkles, with a little bit of glitter in it. Oh, come on, focus. Oh, y'all, it's not picking up good enough on camera for me. Maybe I'll take a picture and insert it. So that's all for the powders that came. Now I'm going to go in with this pink powder that I showed y'all that I'm really excited about. And this color is called Surprise Block Party. I'm going to do this one on the pinky because I don't want to use much because I don't have much because it's really small, but it's so pretty. So pretty. Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. And the glitter is drying pretty fast, but I pretty much expected that. Because anytime I work with glitter, they do dry fast. Oh, that is pretty. Alright, I'm only going to do half the nail because I don't want to waste any of this at all. But y'all see that? Oh, baby, yes. You see how pretty that is? And now you can see like the glitter and the cover pink over here on the thumbnail. Oh, I cannot wait to play with this. So yeah, you guys, this is my initial reaction to the Young Nails products that I received in my kit. Compared to all the products that I've used so far, this is by far my favorite, and this is now my go-to, especially the monomer, because the monomer is not overpowering at all compared to this brand that I got at the nail mall here in Korea. And of course, this is like one of their cheaper brands that I found, so of course cheaper stuff is going to smell worse. But yeah, these are definitely my go-to. They are on the higher end side, but I do believe they are worth it. I cannot wait to try some designs or some nail art with this glitter, especially since Valentine's Day is coming up. Oh, I'm super duper excited. Oh, now you want to focus. There we go. This video is not sponsored, okay? I bought all of these products with my money, okay? I spent my own $100 on this kit. So this is my honest reaction. These are my own thoughts, okay? So yeah, if you made it this far in the video, as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me. If you're not yet subscribed, please join the family by hitting the big red button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more videos of me trying different products or different brands, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.